Sleep and social media, navigating the digital insomnia epidemic. The blue light emitted by our screens has a wavelength that mimics daylight. It has a unique ability to influence our body's internal clock, signaling wakefulness to our brains even when it's time for rest. How does this phenomenon occur, and what are the implications for our sleep patterns? Firstly, there is a huge impact on our circadian rhythm. Our bodies have an internal clock regulated by the suprachiasmatic nucleus in the brain that aligns with the natural cycle of day and night. Exposure to blue light, particularly in the evening or at night, suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for signaling the body that it's time to wind down and sleep. As mentioned before, blue light mimics the wavelengths present in natural daylight, sending signals to our brain that it's still daytime, thereby delaying the onset of the body's natural sleep process. Moreover, blue light can cause a delay on sleep onset, as well as disrupted sleep patterns which can result from this delay, leading to shorter sleep durations, poorer sleep quality, and an overall imbalance in sleep architecture. Finally, this blue light can have implications for sleep quality and health. Sleep quality is usually understood as the duration, continuity, and depth of sleep, which can be assessed by quantitative methods, polysomnography, actigraphy, etc., or qualitative methods with diaries or questionnaires, but it really indicates whether our sleep is restful and how this affects our daytime functioning. Prolonged exposure to blue light in the evening or nighttime can impact the overall quality of sleep. It can lead to a reduction in REM sleep and disturbances in the sleep cycle, affecting the restorative aspects of sleep. The journal Cyberpsychology, Behavior, and Social Networking published a study that looked at the relationship between using technology right before bed, the quality of the sleep, and anxiety and depression, as well as the amount of time spent awake as a result of using technology. A total of 236 college students completed sleep diaries lasting a week, as well as self-report questionnaires. Findings showed that 40 of students said they woke up in the middle of the night to take phone calls, and 47 said they did so to respond to texts. According to regression analysis, poorer sleep quality was predicted by higher levels of technology use after bed, and feelings of anxiety and sadness were predicted by poorer sleep quality. Lastly, the relationship between using technology after bedtime and anxiety depression is mediated by the quality of sleep. Students in college who struggle to establish limits on their use of technology may be more vulnerable to mental health issues. Students in college who struggle to establish limits on their use of technology may be more vulnerable to mental health issues. Continuous use of social media before bedtime can also disrupt the sleep structure. It can affect the distribution of sleep stages, potentially impacting the balance between REM rapid eye movement and non-REM sleep, crucial for overall sleep quality. Notifications and alerts from social media apps can cause disruptions during the night. These disturbances can awaken individuals during periods of lighter sleep, fragmenting the sleep cycle. This prolonged use of social media late into the night can lead to grogginess and reduced alertness upon waking, impacting overall morning wakefulness and daytime functioning. Prolonged and consistent alterations in sleep patterns influenced by social media can contribute to long-term changes in an individual's sleep chronotype. Over time, the habit of staying up late due to social media use can reinforce an evening chronotype, potentially impacting an individual's natural preference for sleep and wake times. Social media engagement during late hours may also contribute to social jet lag, a misalignment between social and biological time. Social jet lag can result in individuals experiencing sleep disruptions and difficulties adjusting to their required wake times, leading to an altered sleep chronotype. REM sleep is essential to restore all mental functions, while non-REM sleep helps to restore those physiological functions for the proper functioning of the body. During sleep, the body has the ability to increase protein synthesis and the rate of cell division, where it is evident the importance of restorations during the sleep process. So it is essential to ensure a good quality of sleep.